Hello and welcome to Super Queue app walkthrough. My name is Paweł, I'm creator of Super Queue app. I represent a chat contact center which had over 1 million chats from 2015. We always look for the ways to increase the quality and responsiveness of our chat agents. Super Queue app was built to notify team leaders about the need to adjust number of active chat agents, not to keep customers waiting in queues. Before we start, I invite you to pin Super Queue app to LiveChat menu so it is easy accessible. Go to Apps menu, find Super Queue and use pin icon. After that, Super Queue will be visible in the main LiveChat menu. Open Super Queue app and authorize it first. You will see a list of accesses needed by Super Queue to work. The main screen has two main parts. Firstly, you need to select when you want to receive email notifications about the queue. So every time there is customer accessing a queue, we look backwards this number of minutes and we check how many other customers also accessed the queue, and if these conditions are met, then we will send an email notifications to you. You can also send how often do you want to receive those notifications. So in this case, you want to receive more than one notification every 15 minutes. In the second part, you need to set emails to which we want to receive our notifications. Please also select both boxes to keep Super Queue free. So after inserting your email address, click Save, and after that you need to activate email by clicking the link on the activation email. This email is going to look like this, so we just need to click on it and this email will be confirmed. So next time you will open Super Queue app, you will see that there is no notification next to this email. As I said, you can put more than one email to which you would like to receive our notifications from Super Queue. After conditions will be met and there will be queues on your LiveChat license, you will receive email like this, which will tell you on which LiveChat group how many customers queued in the time that you specified. And that's it. If you have any questions or concerns, as well as ideas and suggestions, I'm open to hearing them all during a free online meeting. Just select time which is suitable for you. I also invite you to check our other apps like Super Trainer that sends reminders to your chat agents based on the rules, and also Supervision, which enables you to monitor up to 8 chats at once. Thank you for your attention and happy chatting!